Good evening, everyone. This is Shutanuka Mukherjee, RDI consultant from Bangalore. So, today I just wanted to share my experience as a parent first. Then, I just wanted to share experience in a professional career, how it goes. So, I started my journey when my son was 7 years old with Kamini Lakhani ma'am. She guided us through the entire process, how RDI works, in a step by step, meaningful manner. And it helps me to understand where the neurodiversity is lacking. I was constantly thinking his thinking ability was poor that time. He communicate very limited set of words. So in that point of time, RDI came to our life and it changes our entire life. It builds the connection with my son and me, even that mutual understanding, respect, trust, all the areas. It helped me a lot to build connection with my son. In communication, receptive language was there, but when it comes to expressive language, it was missing. So I was struggling a lot. There was no way to how to build this expressive language. But when I joined RDI, there is a term we called encoding. Encoding helped us, our children, to build the expressive language. And RDI showed us in a structured manner how encoding effectively day to day's life we can incorporate, and it helps them to learn understanding more and more. Being a professional, I started recently my journey, but there I learned many things from other parents because all scenarios are different. All children are different from each other. So there I learned a lot because when we learn something we apply to our children, I feel it might be little easy. But when it comes to guiding a parent, you need to learn the entire process. You need to understand better. You need to understand better the child development. You need to better understand the parent perspective. You need to understand better where the parent starts and where to stop. So, in a step by step structured manner, I feel I'm really glad I'm guiding the parents and they're really happy for it. And they're sharing their thoughts and experiences to me. That's how RDI, we are connecting the relationship, we are building the relationship with parents, with children, with colleagues, with families, and with the wider community. It helps many families, not only me. So please come, everyone. Let's start RDI. Is I can see some speech therapist, mostly speech therapist, play therapist, even creative movement therapist. They are using these RDI methodologies, wherein everyone follows the co-regulation, self-regulation, joint attention, all the methodologies they are using. But in RDI shows in a proper structure where we can implement those things in our real life experiences, experiential learning that helps our children to build their communication, connection, trust, and bond towards family as well as society, as well as their peer groups. So I'm really glad I'm to this RDI journey. Really, really thankful to Kamini Lakhani ma'am as well as my fellow colleagues. Those are supporting me a lot, and I can thanks to my son as well because for him only I can learn many more things. And really, I'm glad I'm to this RDI journey. I'm to the process. I'm not in the product. So I'm really, it impacts everyone's life a lot. Thank you so much.